Ahamatada, Mayampunamak, Tonam Blossy Magadi, Koramjari. Welcome back to my channel. So, Mayamagi background say, Yanga, Kamira, Mudinga City. I get training, I get blogs, I get fitness, kind of Mataka blog or the so, Nasidi Yam Numadone, according to training to losing a city, leg training in leg. Leg, I was a Sanabuki loan, the quadricep muscle, so a senior muscles in the train to do say, legs say, Kamatik, Nakugi, Nuaiba, amasung Yamna, Sativa exercise, Aina hygienic Yamda, Yamna Sukana, Yamna Suki, Motokava exercise ni, nupi is nupa is only Makisha Matotai, nupa in a Kari Madame Matota, you know, have the Akogi testosterone high hormones, Akogi leg muscles, leg train Taroga, legs, Hanamatum, the testosterone high hormones, a boost story. I don't know, leg training, say Yamsatina Matotai, leg training, skip the window, nupi in a Karino, have the figure maintained with our day, Akogi figure for the get our day, legs, Fazan Sanata, legs, Sanavatari, figures for the Rakani, body shapes for the Rakani, I don't know, nupi is nupa, Yamsatina. Mathota exercise ni aina hygiene so mayam ngasi di mi khara til ko ado mi khara til so mayam da dum jenga ke background ko thod dikho sabi log ko ya so mayam puna ma ase training to jari khoi ujik sona lai ba kamu mayam so loi training to jari so ai so dum training to gi mayam da uchara kani do mathang mayam na yengan se do training exercise khuding so ina mayam mamang da to go du baina exercise khuding ina mayam da haibira kani so mayam stay tuned let's go how to say. So, I say, Nasidi Tandana Tower, Nasidi training partner, like a training partner, or the Nagi, Manava, Itao, Akogi Ras, Burman, my mixer Ras, Ras, Yavado. So, he will be my training partner for today's workout. So, ask to Ekdam Fardate. Fardate, like, Chalo Ras, come on. So, mayam, hujai to do say hard exercise ne. Exercise ki maming na squat ko je. Squat se king of exercise so hai ne. Mayam na ado kwai ge mathau ta ba kwai ge alu ba ado lo ga kwai de kana ba exercise ni. Mayam hujai to do say squat se nupi na su nupa su na bang na to go exercise ne. So mayam yang mina se. So hard set se na to do say warm up set ni mayam. So asi lo ga mathang weight ha ba ga to jala ka ni. So mayam mityeng tabiu.
I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it, I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest, I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest. Cause I promise you that I'm just getting started, and I promise you that my skills are getting sharper. So I'ma get charted, can't be guarded. Nah, I'm the one to get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up on it, yeah. Bitch, you got me fucked up, I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup. We bout to
mayam pura mo huje warm up loi jare huje pura khoi gi ahan ma set ni ina taw jadoi se so saudi mang ta mayam khabi to di khoi gi squat matam da squat taw da matam da khoi gi bel asi bel se pha bi ma thau tai do bel pha di ai mamang su panja hi da khoi gi deadlift su bel pha tai do squat su bel pha tai na di khwang da injury oi bi chances yam na kwang aduna mayam puna matam puna makta protection ga loina na exercise taw jaga da ni ta di khoi hakchang je sok khre di kai oi do no tapnam de aduna sokhan da bi da patana gyan da na aduna wakal khanda na protection ga loina na exercise ta da ni so mayam weight che ngan bio weight dikhau ra samloga so asigi weight che hujit taw dor se ahan ma set ni mayam weight ai mamang su panja khare weight che yam na sathina thang pe su mathau ta de mayam posture important ni palaga akhoi gi yam pan na phadana taw da ni ado mayam khawr se so let's go.
So I'd be cautious, I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, failure ain't an option. So I'd be cautious, I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now. I don't give a fuck if you got a college degree. Did you learn anything? Really worth anything? 200 grand later and we're not even working. Student loans worth more than what we're earning. Best lesson I learned is to keep on searching. Find your true passion and get to work. And better take action or you end up serving. Yeah, that's a fact. So you better clean up your act. So you better grab yourself a sack and tell the world they can suck on that. Don't come back, pack your bags. You take a trip and don't relax. You hit the switch and just attack. You find your niche.
So mayam akhoi fast exercise ko jare squat so mathai exercise se taw se mathai exercise to no re di le jare mathai exercise maming na leg press ki taw do so mayam di le jare machine na di le jare so mayam mityeng tabiu let's go.
I could give a fuck how. Just get your grit out. Wake up, man, this life is a blur. Everyone's got an opinion, so which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from an entrepreneur. Don't give up on your dream, it is what you deserve.
So mayam akhoi third exercise loi jare hujit taw do is na fourth exercise si maming na hip thrust se yam sathina akhoi gi glutes muscle yam sathina kana ba yam sathina pan ba exercise le asigi exercise se akhoi gi especially nupi na yam taw da ba exercise so asi exercise se mayam glute te yam sathina pan da ba exercise le so nupi na yam taw da ba exercise ma se akhoi gi figure faja ni ga di asi exercise se yam to na to bi ba asi exercise se kari ko hip thrust se taw ga akhoi gi figure se akhoi gi glutes se yam sathina akhoi improvement la kani so mayam mityeng tamin asi exercise let's go. Ina kana bai bo akhoi gi khwang na ba khotpa akhoi gi asi sing ge yam phagani asi exercise tawraga ado akhoi gi kaino gi muscle ji glute ki muscle ji adum strong oi ni nupa na hina te ge strong oi ni so mayam asi exercise se yamna compulsory oi na to bi leg training to matam da so mayam mityeng tamin asi come on.
Lights they flicker and the candles glitter like you're in a thriller. Heart goes pum pum pum. Ghostly figures they can get so bitter. Show you want to enter, you can turn back. You don't know where.
This is last exercise. Last exercise se kwai digi yamna sathi ba kwai di yamna kana ba hamstring gi oida maming na leg curl. So me mityeng tamin asi. Let's go.
I'm really not that cozy. It's up to you, so you decide. Would you love me up my words till the coffin's in the dirt? Try to break me like a curse. You know that will never work. I'm a little bit absurd. I like dancing on the verge. Anyone can love a pretty little mansion, but could you love a haunted house? Or could you love me now? A haunted I'm a haunted house.
बिल्कुल क्या बोल रहा है बहुत मजा आ रहा है भाई
This one more.
What is this? How do you feel?
Yeah. Beast.
Cái này mới lấy cái.
Kayo haling maliit yan, mayam. Asway na exercise. Tawa no.
Lo đi. Lo đi.